Hey Kathy, I thought I'd just take a second to make a quick video so I can kind of showcase a little bit of what I believe with module use could kind of help alleviate that because I'm also noticing for some of the teachers who didn't take advantage of any of the trainings this year, I've seen a lot of paper clips. So it's a lot of scrolling. I was in a class yesterday and it was a nightmare um, to get to the bottom where they were. So looking at the page here, this is sort of like a mock module. So I really think it should have a simple recipe. It should start with your unit objectives. Everybody needs to have them displayed anyway. So, simply having a module or an item, a page at the top, where now we have just, hey, here's what we're about to do. Here's what you should be able to accomplish by the time we get to the end of this module. And then if you build it properly, then you can kind of say, have them hit the next button. And now this is the page that I think you're gonna like because now we're creating a resource page for the unit. So instead of just adding that item, they're gonna add a link to this page or even potentially embed class notes. So this was a PowerPoint that was in my Google Drive that I could just simply embed. So this was one we actually used the collaboration tool and all the kids had a different page. And so this was them kind of coming together. So I was able to embed that so that they had those resources before the quiz. But you can embed videos here. Obviously, you could send them to other sites with external links to the Quizlet sets and to whatever else. So I think actually having a page dedicated that they just kind of build as they go might help alleviate that module altogether. And then after that, after you have your objectives and after you start that resource page, then the most important part in my mind is having your non-negotiables. So these are the assignments that I feel every student at the very minimum needs to accomplish to say that they could meet those objectives from that first page. So I probably gave double the amount of assignments that you're seeing here, but I just put those in the assignments tab. I didn't actually put them in the module because this is designed for if a kid transfers in late or comes in late, they now know what the non-negotiables are. And then I could assign some of those other assignments to them for enrichment, for extra credit, or I could maybe even build an extra credit module for kids to accomplish and just don't put any dates and just kind of leave it open for kids to accomplish as we go through. So those are just some thoughts I had. Happy to talk more about it. So just let me know if that makes sense, and let me know if you're having any other thoughts or something else. All right. Well, it's good talking with you, and hopefully we'll actually talk soon.